What's up, world? How y'all doing? It's your boy JayDUB, LiLItaly right here. Back at the shop. The truck is ready. They got the turbo put in. It was $3,600 opposed to $4,500 for just the turbo. So all praises go to the Lord, you know what I'm saying? So we got the turbo in. They checked my radiator fluid and they said a little bit more water than radiator fluid, so they changed that out, and so I could be winterized. And it is cold, of course, as everybody know, across the nation. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty cold, so that's gonna work out just fine. But hey, everything's good, man. The company, like I said, had our back on it, so they're gonna foot the bill on it, and every so much to come out to check over time. But other than that, we're gonna pick up Carolina Blue today and get back on the road probably tomorrow and start running, you know what I'm saying? So go show y'all what they did, show y'all the new turbo, you know what I'm saying? Of course, I'm gonna be looking over it myself before I leave. That's what you're supposed to do. But all praises to God, because that's the only way it happened. So anyway, we gonna go and see what they talk about right quick. Go check Carolina Blue out right quick, and we out. What's up, man? You good to go? Yeah, we're. Woo! Man, got the new turbo right there, you guys. Oh, rubber band. I would take that off, but man, I wonder how she gonna pull now, man. She probably gonna pull a house down now, shoot. That's what we do. Got that old antifreeze out of there. Got some new inside. Man, we about ready to go, y'all. That's a good sign. Yeah. My wife over there. These mechanics work outside, man. I mean, you got the shop right there, but you know, it's only 3 bays. Then you got another 2 bays for lube, but everything else is outside. So that's how they stay warm over here. But man, Carolina Blue looking good, you guys. Once again, we got the new sleeper shocks on the back. So this is my newest one, airbag, but if these sleeper shocks is out, it'll wear these bags out. So you gotta change them out so you ain't paying a whole lot of money for that over time. But man, Carolina Blue is fired up, you guys. Man, God is amazing, I'm telling you, yo. God works in mysterious ways, y'all. You may not see it wearing off, but man, 29 degrees. You can see my breath. But that's about to change. I'm about to throw on that heater, because the heater worked now finally. Man, we're gonna get back to work, you guys. That's what it is. So anyway, much love to you. Don't forget to hit that like button. You know what I'm saying? You know, also don't forget to hit the notifications, which is the little bell. You gotta hit it twice, so when I upload, y'all can get the latest video. But your boy JayDUB, we about to get back to work, bro. But anyway, I'm here picking up my truck, and all is well. Much love to you. God over everything. Peace. No, y'all can't see, but it's time to go home. We back at the yard. The truck is hooked up to the trailer. It's time to go home. Tomorrow, we go hit it hard. Try to get us a load to get back out here on the grind. Let's ride.